And a lot has been said against me regarding how I treated, or my treatment, or how I treated the crimes here, especially drugs. Hindi lang naman ang sabi nila na marami. Marami ring namatay dito yung mga kidnappers, hold-uppers.
Hold-uppers, yeah.
Especially people na nakikidnap tapos magbigay na ng ransom ang pamilya tapos patayin mo pa. Kaya pag pinatay mo, patayin rin kita. Parang ganun. It's always an internecine thing. It goes round and round. Na-overlook ng ICC yan.
Yeah.
It's not about drugs alone. A lot of people, when I was just nothing really to be noisy about, but I was only 3 months mayor when I had a very shootout with the kidnappers from Cotabato. Nagkamali sila eh. They kidnapped a lady here and she was kept somewhere sa Cotabato. After 1 month, nagkamali sila na kunin nila yung pera na ransom plus kumain pa sila sa bahay ng yung victim. They did not know that I was already nasa baba na ako sa hagdanan waiting for them to come out. So, sinadya ko talaga yon. Sinadya ko talaga na patayin yung tatlo. Para sinabi ko na sa mga taga-Davao noon, sinong gustong sumunod? I'd be happy to. Well, yun ang, hindi naman ako nagyayabang, pero itong criminal, pati criminality, it has to be handled in a different way. It's almost a uncivilized idiot.